Hello viewers, welcome to our new YouTube channel. So today we learn about what is a period of English literature. It's very essential for all the examination which is covered with the literature part. So first is period of English literature. Period of English literature, the division of a century of English literature into segment of time. First one is up to 450 Dark Age. Up to 450 Dark Age, 450 to 1066 Old English or Anglo-Saxon period, 1066 to 1500 Middle English period or Anglo-Norman period, 1500 to 1600 the Renaissance or Early Modern, 1500 to 1600 it's the Renaissance or Early Modern, 1558 to 1603 it's very essential because it's a Elizabethan age and it's a Shakespearean age, you can say. 1558 to 1603 is Elizabethan age and the 1603 to 1625 is a Jacobean age. 1603 to 1625 Jacobean age is also Miltonic age, Milton age. 1625 to 1649 is a Caroline age. 1625 to 1649 Caroline age, 1649 to 1660 Commonwealth period or Puritan Integument, 1649 to 1660 Commonwealth period or Puritan Integument. This is the first phase, you can say. It's 1500 to 1600. This whole time is called the Renaissance and Early Modern. The second phase, which is called 1660 to 1798, the Neoclassical period. 1660 to 1798 is called Neoclassical period. Further divided in some part. 1660 to 1700 is the Restoration period. 1660 to 1700 is a Restoration period. Total 14 year. I think the Restoration period is a 14 year completed. And the 1700 to 1745 the Augustan or the age of Alexander Pope. 1700 to 1745 the Augustan and the age of Alexander Pope. 1745 to 1798 the age of sensibility. 1745 to 1798 the age of sensibility. The next is transactional period. It's a very change in the society of England, you can say. Transitional period is a or age of Dr. Johnson. You can say it's the age of Dr. Johnson. The next is 1798 to 1837, the Romantic period. It's a Woodworth age, you can say. 1798 to 1837, the Romantic period. It's a Woodworth age. And 1837 to 1901, the Victorian period. 1837 से 1901 is a Victorian period. So 1848 से 1860 the pre-Raphaelites movement. You have to learn about the what is the pre-Raphaelites movement. And 1880 to 1901, 1818 to 1901 aesthetic and decadence. 1880 to 1901 aesthetic and decadence. And the next time, which is a current status, you can say 1901 से 1901 to 1945 modern period. 1901 to 1914 the Edwardian period. 1910 to 1936 the Georgian period. And the